Problem is to write a Python program to print output without a Newline. Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to WsCube Tech. My name is Ayushi Jain, and in this video we will learn how to write a program that will allow us to write multiple lines inside a one line. Suppose if we have multiple print statements in Python, and if you want that in your output you only want to obtain those statements in one single line, how it can be done in Python? Let's have a look on that. For this we will be needing two print statements. First print statement, let's say, says that in the first print statement I'll be writing Harry. Let's keep it capital. So Harry Potter. And in the second print statement I'll be writing the name of the part, that is Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. Okay, so what do I need to do is, if I run it right now, I'll get the output in two different lines. That means I'm receiving Harry Potter and the Prisoner of the Azkaban in two different lines. Now what I want is that I want it in one line, that Harry Potter should be there and the Prisoner of Azkaban should also be there in the same line. Now you would say that why then in that case you would just copy this and paste it over here. Yes, that could be done definitely, but there is another method in our Python that will allow us to write the next print statement automatically in the same line. How it can be done is very simple, that over here I'll be writing comma and end is equals to open close parentheses. Now what this thing will do, this thing will add this print statement in the end of this line without a blank space. So if you don't put a blank space in between, and now if I run it, you will see it will look like this, that Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. That means there is no space in between. But if I put a space in between, in that case we would run and see that it would look like Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. So what basically it is doing, it is removing the next line plus the white spaces. And if you want to add a white space over here, in that case what would happen? And if you want a white space over here, in that case all you need to do is write end is equals to open close double quotations, and inside the double quotations you will be passing a space in between. So I hope guys writing multiple lines into a single line is very clear to you. Only one method is there, and that is also very simple, that whenever you want that your next line should come in the previous line, in that case in the end of the previous line you just need to write the end statement, that end is equals to open close the double quotations, and inside that you need to pass a space in between. So I hope you guys have no doubts in the questions, and for more such interesting programs, stay connected guys. Thank you.